Boulevard, baby. Guess what day it is?
The 4th of July?
No, actually, baby, it's Boom Boom Puppy Fireworks Day.
What is that? What you call the 4th of July?
Yeah, Boom Boom Puppy Fireworks Day.
Today's the day we got our independence.
I don't depend on you at all.
Today's the day we got freed from Britain.
I mean, and we still drink tea, so I mean, I don't think we're free from it.
What? B Mario. We were slaves in the past.
Baby, everyone knows we all like candy canes.
Where did you get candy canes from? All I said
You
was
said candy canes, alright? Okay? You said candy canes.
I said slaves.
Oh. Okay, baby, look. I don't care, but today's the 4th of July, not Independence Day.
Beamer, today is the 4th of July, but it also is Independence Day.
You can't have two holidays on one day, and only for birthdays. Do you celebrate Halloween on Christmas too?
No.
Do you dress up in a Halloween costume like ho ho ho? I'm at your door, knock knock, give me some candy. No, you don't. You don't pick one, so pick Halloween, pick 4th of July or Independence Day.
Both.
And they call me the stupid one. No, baby, 4th of July, Independence Day, pick a one.
Both. I picked the one option.
You got me there. Look at fireworks?
Yeah, let's
go.
Hey, baby, did we get fireworks? Oh, yeah.
Wee-hee! Hey, welcome to Fireworks Day, and we're Fanny over there's asleep.
Oh, can we get some fireworks?
Oh, sorry! We saw the last guy over there.
Oh, that guy.
Yeah, that guy.
Let's go for the fireworks.
Yeah, I guess we go like beat him up or something. I don't know.
Yeah. Bye, Luigi. Alright, do you still have the firework? Oh, who'd you give it to?
You.
Okay, come on, Beamer. Mr. Monster Guy. Do you still have the firework?
No, I haven't done that guy.
Thank you.
Sir, do you have a firework? What?
You still have the firework?
Firework. Oh, I'm here with that guy.
Come on, Beamer. Do you hear that firework?
Gubby, 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 gubby.
English, please? Do you still have it? Did you give it to someone else?
Gubby. Welcome back to the store, where we're still stocking a fan, people. What can I do for you today?
Did you put a firework?
Oh yeah, I popped it 5 seconds ago.
But you were talking to us just now for 5 seconds ago.
Oh, I think I wanted a new firework.
No, we just wanted a firework.
Well, I popped it right after it became banned.
Wait, what?
What?
Yeah, due to the quark virus, we're not allowed to pop fireworks.
That's stupid!
We can't complain of the cork virus.
I guess.
We need to find a different way.
Let's go home.
Good day. Now all we need to do is just wake up!
What?
Nothing.
That's what I thought.
Ready?
Beauty, there's no fireworks!
I don't think we get it anywhere.
Oh, we can't be Peach.
She is crazy enough.
Let's go ask. Baby Peach! Do you have any fireworks?
Yes.
Go, can we have some?
No.
Well, can you tell us what they are?
I'm not telling you.
I guess this calls for Protocol Red. Nose reindeer.
So, fireworks?
No. I bought cookies.
Baby, we have no cookies left. I ate them all.
Tells everything.
Just not today. Come on, baby, just give me some fireworks.
No cookie, no firework.
Luigi, I'll be back. I'm gonna beat him up. I must down her.
We'll look for a cookie in your secret stash.
Another secret.
Secret. And possibly some fireworks too.
Baby, just give us some fireworks.
No, Cookie, get out of my room.
Alright. We'll go look for some. Yeah, we'll go look for some. Come on, baby. Come on. You'll pay for this. Dude, you can't get fireworks anywhere.
Well, that means you have to search every nook and cranny.
Every nook and cranny.
Every nook and cranny. Beamer, where do you have a bomb?
For the bullies.
What are you planning to do with them? Blow them up?
No, it's to distract them.
Yeah, distract them from murder.
No, bro, just firework. I light it up, throw it in the air, boom!
Yeah, boom! We dead, son!
So, no bomb?
No bomb.
Oh, so where do we look?
I guess we can check the closets and stuff.
I don't see no fireworks. Oh, we need to look for some fireworks. That's expensive diamond, but there's no fireworks.
Yeah, there's no fireworks, baby Mario.
What do we do? I guess we can give cookies to baby. I don't have no cookies.
We have those animal crackers.
You're right. Come on.
Where's my cookies?
Here you go.
Those are crackers. I want cookies.
Just try them.
Yeah, just try them.
That's too plain.
You can bring out the big guns.
I'll go get it.
That's nasty. But I like the dots on top.
You mean the sprinkles?
Is that what it's called?
Yeah. She doesn't like it.
I guess we have to go with a different plan, baby Mario.
Alright, let's go upstairs. Oh god, Luigi!
You didn't like the crackers.
She hated it!
Yeah.
Okay.
So we need something with sprinkles.
Delicious.
Sweet.
Frosting. Jalapenos!
Beamer, jalapenos, really?
Yeah.
You know, I'm gonna go jump off a bridge.
No, don't do a bridge.
Why'd you think jalapenos?
What do you mean jalapenos? You said it.
What?
Saltine crackers!
Really, Beamer? Why did you say cake or something? Cake! Beamer?
Cake!
Beamer, I just said that.
Oh, I was still trying to piece it together.
No. Come on, let's go get some cake!
Yeah. Alright, baby. We have a treat you love.
Yeah, it's to die for.
Look, Luigi.
What?
It's 4th of July. You want to say something like that?
Beamer is an expression.
Look, Luigi. I don't want to do math. I just want to get Baby Peach her like special prize treat.
Come on, let's just go.
Come on.
That's the best thing I ever had.
Oh, thank God.
It had the sprinkle, had the sugar, had everything on it. So.
Yeah.
Here, see the firework. You own them.
We got firework, Luigi.
That's not a firework, that's a sparkler.
Tomato.
Fine.
Wanna go light it outside?
Yeah, sure.
Let's go. Oh boy, I can't wait to get firework.
Yeah, well, I mean, it's not really a firework, but yeah, sure.
Alright guys, I want to tell you how amazing you all are for this amazing 4th of July. Well, actually, it wasn't really that great because Baby had a firework.
Yeah.
Okay, well, let's get it. Okay, I just can't wait to light it. It's an amazing sparkler. I don't think I've ever seen a sparkler before.
Really?
Yeah.
I see them all the time. I think we had them last time.
No. Okay, well, I just light this thing on fire. I can't wait. This is gonna be the best 4th of July ever.